Here in the beautiful garden state of New Jersey, we all have probably experienced the nuisance that the ground gray squirrels have done on our property. We have looked for squirrel deterrents and asked others what really works. Up and down our streets the squirrels are chewing on car wiring. The squirrels are attracted to the soy that is around the car wiring and they love eating it. This could cause the owners of these vehicles some damage of $1,500 or more. Therefore we are looking for effective squirrel removal or squirrel repellent. Your local Home Depot has an animal deterrent called Repels All. This comes in a granule form and could be applied around the foundation of your house. Also, Critter Ridder is another repellent that Home Depot carries for critter control. Nevertheless, for the most effective wildlife control that is better than any wildlife repellent in New Jersey or New York, and that only comes by calling a professional. Here at SWAT Team Animal and Pest Control Specialists, we exterminate squirrels, raccoons, bats, mice, rats, and much more, quickly and effectively. Our qualified technicians are standing by 24 hours ready to come out to your home and solve your problem. Please feel free to call us at 973-388-9126. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.